Start this recipe by making the za'atar. This Middle Eastern spice mix brings a touch of wow to everything. Perfect for our lamb skewers with garlic, lemon and oregano. Make a simple show-stopping side dish using thick, pure natural yogurt and soft feta. Whipped until it's light and creamy. It's the combination of flavours and textures in this recipe that make it amazing. Lightly charred lamb, soft flatbreads, and crispy salad. Generous spoonfuls of whipped feta sprinkled with more za'atar. The perfect resting place for our deliciously flavoured lamb, taking you from basics to brilliance.